Daryl. Thank you for sending me your question about constructing an angle bisector. I do get a lot of questions about construction, so I'm glad that you asked about this one. So for this one, the goal is to create congruent angles by splitting this angle here kind of in half. So bisector means basically to cut in half. So we're going to cut this angle in half by drawing in a ray right here. Okay, so the way we begin this is we pick up our compass and we place the center here at the vertex of the angle, and then we simply set the compass width to be maybe something that's going to go, you know, a good amount, so not super skinny, not super wide, but maybe about this big. And then we will go ahead and draw the arc all the way through. And then I personally like to pick up the pencil and identify that those are my two intersecting points that I just created. So I just drew a little dot there. And then at that point we pick the compass back up and we need to get a new setting for it. So even if you didn't draw in those points, you need a new setting on your compass. So you're going to place the compass point there at one of your intersecting points. And then you need to draw basically a large arc that's going to be kind of intersecting with another arc that you're going to draw over there. So I'm going to set my compass width a little bit wide, place that center, and then draw an arc, kind of like this. You can go through the other one if you want, but you don't need to. Okay, and then leave your compass at the exact same setting and go and place the center on that other intersecting point, and you're going to draw an arc this way. So still at the same setting. Okay, so we got to be really careful here with all my intersecting points. I just intersected those two arcs where my compass was at the same setting. The point where they intersected was right there. Okay, so you do want to be kind of careful about all of these intersecting points that you might create, but the two arcs where the radius was set to be the same, I'm looking at that intersecting point, and then I'm going to draw a ray from my vertex through that intersecting point that I just created. Okay, and so we've drawn that in, and my angle has been split into two congruent angles here. So I've created my angle bisector. We'll check that. So that says it's correct. So I think it's just a matter of getting your compass set to the right setting each time and making sure that it's wide, set at a wide enough setting so that you have a large arc. And then using that same setting to create the other arc and finding the intersecting point. So good luck. Let me know how it goes and if you have any more questions about this type of problem.